I'm here today in Sengmi, and I was very curious for a long time because I've been working with them for a very long time, almost 4 years now. I was very curious how the production line is and how can they manage to produce large quantity at one time and deliver very fast. So I'm right here. I hope they can show me around, and I'm very excited for today. The number one and the most important thing is like I want to see what kind of material you use because.
So as you can see, this is the workshop for storage. So these are all the raw material. We have different plastic material like AS, PP, acrylic, PS. So these are all the molds. Okay? We normally need to invest a lot of money to make it. So normally it's more than 100,000 to make a simple mold.
Now I feel safe in your company, and I know that your company has a big factory. So yeah, we can have more future collaborations again.
Yeah, sure. Trust me. You should believe because as you can see, we have many injection machines here. So this is our injection workshop. So as you can see, these are all the raw material. So this machine will inject this raw material inside this machine. So when it comes into the mold, the machine will heat it up. So the raw material will melt. And then when you close it, it becomes the shape that you want.
To know some more information about how you do OEM and ODM, right? Yeah.
So let me show you the Cosmetic workshop. How the logo is made and how the giant age is made. For like making this lid seal.
There's a big difference, you see?
Yeah.
It doesn't look beautiful. So how do you make different logos and different colors?
This is the machine that we made, the logo of our client. So as you can see, this machine is now fully automatic working. So you can see, this is the finished product. So if you want to bring this logo into black color, you can just put the black ink in the plate. This is the seal screen, you can see. This all are the logos and the printing content. So when you put the ink on the plate, you can just like do it like this.
I want to see your assembly line and how do you control your quality and safety in your production line or assembly line, and how do you pack your product, alright?
Let me take you to the assembly mode as you can see here. So let me go inside. Let me take you to since there are different parts, right? You need to assemble them to make them look good. So this is the machine that place it to make it closer. So there are different parts of the car. We need to assemble them. And now we must come to the quality. Okay. This is how we pack them. Okay, like this.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah.
So I want to see where are your finished goods and ready to ship products.
Yeah, sure. Let me show you here. As you can see, this is the area that we put all the finished goods. So you can see there are many customers here. Before shipping out, because we are very strict at checking the quality of the goods. We need to write a name, responsible name. Yeah, so you can see these are all the customers. Yeah, these are all the ready to ship products. You can also like write your shipping mark right here.
So I have today's tour in your factory. I'm very impressed, and I hope we can cooperate more.
These are all ready to ship products. So we are now waiting for some trucks to come and then pick the goods and then ship out. That's it.
Because I see you have many products ready to ship. It means that you ship every day and you have many clients buying every day. What are your main markets?
Okay, so our main market is actually from Southern Asia, like Indonesia, like even Japan, Korea, and some other countries like Singapore, Malaysia, and also we have some clients from America and from some Europe countries, European countries.
Well, I'm very impressed. It's been a great day and great watching all these areas. I hope we can cooperate more and perhaps in the future we can all be rich.
Yeah, that's possible.